Hey fam, it's Mary here. Today I'm making pap and fries, the broke Nigerian's dream meal. Let's get cooking.
Alright, first and first, I'm getting those potatoes going. I'm peeling them. I'm getting all the skin off, making sure they're nice and clean.
Alright, peeling is out. Don't need them in my fries. I'm gonna trash them.
Okay, now I'm slicing them up. I'm cutting them into stripes, making sure they are all even. Not too thick, not too thin. Just the right size for fries. I'm going for that perfect crunch. Yeah, like this, just the way you all can see. Now enjoy the rest of the video with a touch of music. Bye for now.